sine B. Nanong dili man nato siya pwede gamiton, sir? Kay tungod, wala man tay value ni A, wala po tay value ni B. So, dili na to makuha ang ilahang value. Sabtan ba? Sabtan? Wala.
Yes,
Nganong
sir.
wala ta nagamit ani? Sabtan ninyo?
Yes, sir.
So, no, to find A, para mawala ang denominator, mag-multiply ta both side og sine A. Or, substitute na to ang value nila. We have 35 degree, which is equal to 15 all over sine 75 degree. Para mawala ng denominator, multiply ka og sine 35 degree. Like ka diya. So, cancel. You will come up with A is equal to 15 times sine 35 degree all over sine 75 degree. So, using your calculator, palihog na kuno ko kung mao ba ng answer. Point forecast na ilachi. Sakto ba ng 8? Value ba? Next year, example, 2004 at 24. Inanay mo gusto. Gamitan lang na siya. Yari ma si. Ikaw na siya kung yari ma. Pero gamay ram guna na dita siya. Masya, malit lang ka. Ay, Jill na ni mo. Okay, sakto ba na class? 8.91? Art, nag-chat, nag-answer na si Ma'am Jenny daw. Wala lagi. Nag-answer naman daw kuno siya ato. Nako man gigan. Di sa Google Form ba nakapilap daw siya. Nag-send ka to siya? Nag-send man ko siya ha. Ang siya na nag-fill up no ko ani ka. Si Bilieta nag-reply na si Tatur sa ako. Nag-reply si Tatur. Si Dakulyo ba? Ako laging kuno si Relmer maka-reply sila. Si Ma'am Reggie kay mismo maka-reply na. Ang isugot si kagalingo sa ka-reply. Ako nang palawapan sila Art. Makita ko to si Ma'am Reggie. Okay, class. Sakto ba to, class? 8.91. Hello? Dunggan ba ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the other hand, we have, since we already find the value of A, take note how we cannot apply the Pythagorean theorem on this problem. It is because that the given angle is not a right triangle. You can only apply the Pythagorean theorem if the given angle is a right triangle. Kasi sinabot ha? So, to find side B, all you have to do is to use the law of sine, which is B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. Substitute their values. We have sine 70 degree is equal to 15 all over sine 75 degree. Enable to eliminate the denominator. Cancel na siya. B will be equal to 15 sine 70 degree all over sine 75 degree. Palihog na kuno ko kung 14.59 ang answer. Paki-check na kuno ko class. Wala pa memo para sa next week, Art. In terms magka. Eh kung wala, magpa-quiz yung ko next week ba? Class na may memo da class para next week na walay klase. Kay active ya kayo mo sa mga inana. Nana may memo na dawatan. Hello, class. Madunggan ko ninyo. Ana,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
namoy nadawatan na memo kanang walay klase next week kay
wellness week.
uh, dili about sa wellness week kaning about sa intrams ba.
Katong kwan, Adrian, katong sa GC, kwan to, memo to.
Wala mo
Dili
nakadawat.
Di ko sure ba, pero nag-announce sila nga kato laging sa ano lagi sa intrams katong 22 to 26.
Wala pa mo natagaan.
Wait lang sir, nantahan na mo sir.
Sindi ko ha kung naanay memo ninyo ha.
Yes, sir. Send na mo sa
Eh,
GC.
dugay mo kay ga response
Yes
ka.
sir, yes sir.
Okay, namoy pangutanaan eh. Kaya kung walay memo, mag-quiz ta semifinal ta next week. Kung walay memo. Pero kung naa, i-enjoy lang siya na ninyo ang live, di ba? Okay, walay pangutanang class about this one. How to find the side A and side B using the law of sine. Do you have any clarifications? Anyone? So, kung walay pangutana, shall we proceed with another example? Hello? Pwede ba tayo proceed sa another example?
Yes, sir.
Ikuha sim classmate. Palihog lang ko ah. Proceed ta? Okay. Case number 2, we have two sides and an opposite angle given. Actually, case number 2 is also known as ambiguous case. So, ginatawag ni siya class na ambiguous case. Okay, tungod, no? There are one or two triangles will be determined in this case, or uh, there is no triangle, no, na ma-form sa iya based sa iyang case. So, pwede siya isa ka triangle lang yung ma-form, pwede duwa ka triangle yung iyang ma-form, or walay triangle na ma-form niya. Manang gitawag siya na ambiguous. So, unable to uh, understand this one deeply, let us satisfy their conditions. Kini siya, no solution na siya class ha. There is no solution. Okay, there is no solution. No solution na siya. So, let A be and angle A be given. To determine the number of solution, use the law of sine, which is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, where sine B is equal to B sine A all over B. Take note, dili necessary na AB ang side na gamiton og angle A. Pwede ka mo gamit og BC, then given ang iyahang angle B, pwede ni siya, or you can have BC and given na iyang angle C. Sabtan? Or you can have AC and given ang iyang angle C. Nagkasinabot ba ta? So, kini siya, pwede ni siya magka-interchange. And then, kung unsa to ang side na dili given niyang angle, mao to ang atong kuhaon. Pareha niyo, given man ang yang angle A, di ba? Given yung side A, given yung side B. So, since our angle B is not given, all we have to do is to find this one. So, that's why, now we come up with sine B is equal to B sine A or over A. So, yun na niya, to come up with these results, we have A all over sine A, which is equal to B all over sine B. So, mag-multiply ka both side of sine A o sine B. Dire, makancel ang sine A. Cancel, mabili ni sine B. So, na kay A times sine B. Sa dire na side, makancel ang sine B, ang mabili ni sine A. So, multiply by B, we have B sine A. Okay, since angle B atong kwaon, divide ka both side by A. So, sine B is equal to B sine A all over A. So, mo na iyang itsura. Okay? Pero kung kiniga ni siya class, i-substitute na lang ni siya. Example, given ang side B, side C, given ang angle B. So, solve for sine B, angle C. So, substitute lang natin mo diya na kay sine C is equal to C sine B all over B. No? Puli-pulihan lang nini mo sila. For example, kini, given ang yang angle C, pangitahan niyo mga sine B, you will have sine B is equal to, we have B sine C all over C. So, puli-pulihan lang nini mo na sila class. Okay. Kung ang result na kuno ni ani class is less than 1, there is no triangle form. So, since wala man kay triangle na ma-form, it means that there is no solutions for this problem. So, take na tama niya itsura. Kung nadiri angle B, angle A, kung si sine da kuno, sine B is greater than 1, walay triangle na iyang ma-form. Bisa pag imo ni siya i-move class, kini siya na side, i-move pa na nimo siya in any direction, walay triangle na iyang ma-form. Okay? So this is your side B. On the other hand, kung equal gani ang atong sine B sa 1, we form a right triangle. So there are only one solution for this. So one siya. Our angle will be equal to 90 degree. So this should be A and C. Copy? When our sine B is less than 1, two triangles are formed. So duha ka triangle na kung ma-form niya. One of these are an acute angles and the other one is the obtuse angle. So example, mo ni siya. So mo ni imong B class, this is your A. So kung imo ni siya i-move class diri na side, no? Kung i-move ni nimo siya diri na side, maka-create ka og another triangle. So kini siya, no? So kung imo i-move, kini siya na side is equivalent to this side. Okay? Mo nang makaingon siya na there are two triangles formed. So one of these is an acute angle, which is acute angle ni siya class. While the other one is obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree. Mo ni siya ang obtuse angle. Kuha? Okay? For example, no? Sir, kano sa ito maka-apply ani niya, sir? Ka-apply ta niya ani, o kini ang given. Given ang two sides of opposite angle. So, ato siya sa i-test before ta mo solve. Take note, ana. Kaya niyo, given ang two sides o opposite sa atong side B. So, since, no, uh, given mo na angle ni B, dili given ang angle ni A, so, pangitaw na to ang angle ni A. So, that's why, if A all over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Para mawala ang denominator, multiply ka both side by sine A, sine B. Cancel na siya. Cancel na siya. So, na kay sine B times A. So, na kay A sine B. Na kay B times sine A. So, na kay B sine A. Okay, since our goal is to find sine A, divide ka both side by B. So, that's why sine A is equal to A sine B divided by B. So, mo ni imuhang equation. Okay, substitute their value na kay 12.5 sine 25 degree all over 5.8. With the use of your calculator, sine A is equal to 0.91, which is less than 1. Di ba? Sakto ba? Since less than 1 siya, we form two triangles in this given. So, dua ka triangle atong na-create ani nila. No? Okay, based sa test. If sine A is less than 1, then there are two triangles formed. Sabtan? Pero kung greater gani siya sa 1, walay triangle na iyang ma-form. So, stop na din ka. Okay? I hope nasabtan ninyo ha. Napali ko screenshot kung yun sa pag-test. Screenshot ninyo. Hello, class? Naka-screenshot mo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since less than 1 atong sine A, so, dua ka triangle lang yung na-create. No? We have angle B, another yung angle A, and this would be the angle C. To find angle A, what we will do is to use the law of sine. Naka A all over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Substitute the value, we have 12.5 all over sine A is equal to 5.8 all over sine 25 degree. Para mawalan denominator, mag-multiply ka both side of sine A times sine 25 degree. Cancel na siya. Cancel na siya. So we come up with 12.5 sine 25 degree is equal to 5.8 sine A. Okay, para mawala na yung 5.8, kay sine A na lang mabilin, divide ka both side by 5.8. So that's why we have sine A is equal to 12.5 sine 25 degree all over 5.8. Para angle na lang ang masolve, mag-multiply ka both side by the inverse of our sine. So naka sine inverse, cancel na siya. A is now equal to sine inverse of 12.5 sine 25 degree all over 5.8. So we come up with our A is equal to 65.62 degree. So yun na pagkuha siyang angle. So this one is 65.62 degree. Copy? Okay, since, take note since class, this side, kung ito ni siya i-move, padulong diri na portion, no? Kini siya na side will be equivalent to this side, which is equal to 5.8. And then, we all know, no? Kung opposite gani ang duha ka sides or ang opposite sides are equal, it follows that the opposite angle are also equal. Take note ana, isosceles triangle is one of the characteristic of isosceles triangle. Kung opposite equal ganing opposite side, it follows that the opposite angles are also equal. So this one will be equal to 65.62 degree. Take note ana. So kung 65.62 degree ni siya, using the supplementary angles, kato atong gi-discuss sa una. Unsa ganito supplementary angles gani? Unsa ito supplementary angles? The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, di ba? 180 man ni siya. Kuha, kini siya kay 180. So ang 180 minusan na to og 65.62 degree, pila ni siya? 180 minus 65.62 degree, pila ni siya class? Pila na siya? It would be equal to kalkyo palihog 114.38 degree. Tanawa daw. Hello, napa ba yung naminaw? Napa ba yung gusto maka-learn?
Yes, sir.
Sakto ba ng answer?
Yes, sir.
So this one will be equal to 114.38 degree. So we call this one as, we are applying the supplementary angle. Diba? Kung may supplementary angle, the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Ang katong complementary angle, the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree po to siya. So, mo na siya dire class, no? Ato siya separate, okay? Mo ni siya ang iyang isa ka portion sa triangle o kini siya. Okay? Kini mo na itong gi-compute ka ganina. We call this one as 114.38 degree. Naray ang solution. So, this one, mo na itong angle A, di ba? Mo na itong angle B. So, we will represent this one as A prime. And this one will be our B prime. Kining C o C prime, pwede na sila magbaylo. Ha? So, kung nadiri ang C, ang imong side is also C. Kung nadiri ang C prime, ang kini siya na side will be C prime. Okay. Since kini siya class is equal to this, kay ato man siyang gi-move, no? Kato sa akong presentation ka ganina. No, if we will try to move this side to this side, ang may tabo niya, kini siya na side will be equal to this side. So that is why we come up with this. This side will be equal to this side. Which is the same as this, no? Kini siya na side, mao man ni. Kung ato ipagdikit. Nasabtan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us, before we start, no, finding the sides of this triangle, let us try to complete first the given angles. Ato siya ni-complete. Di ba, ingon siya, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180. So, i-add nato ni sila tulo, then i-minus nato sa 180 para makuha nato ang angle dire, pati ni dire. So, sa dire, na kay B plus A prime plus C prime is equal to 180. While dire, we have B prime plus A plus C is equal to 180. Substitute the value na kay 65.2 plus 65.2 is equal to 131.24 degree. Transpose sa pikas na kay 180 minus 131.24 degree, it would be equal to 48.79 degree. On the other hand, na kay 114.38 degree plus 25 degree is equal to 139.38 degree. Ato siya transpose sa pikas, we have 180 minus 139.38 degree. Our C prime will be equal to 40.62 degree. Okay, any questions? Kung yun siya pagkuha, kining duha ka angle, kini sila.
Permi na siya i-transpose, sir.
Permi.
Okay, sir. I mean, permi? Okay, sir.
Para makuha nato ang value ni C prime o ni C. Sabtan?
Yes po.
Okay, next nato na goal, since kompleto na tong angle, di ba? Sa dire, ang kulang na lang nato ang side na C prime o ang side na C. So, applyan na rin nato siya atong law of sine. Okay, law of sine. Mao na siya na kay B over sine B kay given man is equal to C prime all over sine C prime. On the other hand, we have A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Para makuha na to ang C prime o ang C, multiply ta both side to the denominator. No? Para mawala ni siya class, multiply ta og sine 40.62 degree. Cancel na siya. So we come up with C prime is equal to 5.8 times sine 40.62 degree all over sine 25. With the use of your calculator, side C is equal to 8.93. On the other hand, same procedure, sine A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Substitute the value. Okay, 5.8 all over sine 65.62 degree is equal to C all over sine 48.79 degree. Para mawalan denominator ni C, multiply ka both side of sine 48.79 degree. So we come up with C is equal to 5.8 sine 48.79 degree all over sine 65.62 degree. With the use of your calculator, the result is 4.79. Questions or clarification? So in this case, we already find the missing parts of this triangle. Kapitse, nakakuha na siyo? Ika, ganyan 3-in-1 ba? Any questions, class? Clarification? Wala. Multiplication, addition, subtraction? Wala.
Wala, sir.
Sige. Kung wala may pangutana, then we will proceed with another example. Heart, nagkuha na si Sir Toto, Heart. Dano daw siya. Dan na ba eh? Ikaw ah? Ako sa gina na Sir To. Kaya po Sir To ako. Kailangan na naman explain Sir To. Dan na ba eh? Ang Jamie eh. Ang Jamie. Wala akong kapil ah. Wala yung kapil ah dito ay. Oo na lang. Ako, kaning Google Form, Ma'am Jane. So, wala po na kasi Ma'am Baby dahil. Manit na si Ma'am Baby ka lang nakasama. Okay, for another examples for this tawag ani, for this chapter or for this topic, what we will do is to solve case number 3 and case number 4 by using law of cosine. So in case number 3, given two sides and the included angle. So what we have here, the given two sides is what we call as the adjacent sides of our angle. In case number 4, all sides are given. So this would be the law of cosine that we have. So enable to find the given sides. No, if side A and side B are given and their adjacent angle. So we're using this equation. If side A and side B is given, so muna itong gamiton. If side B and C are given, then we will use this one. Okay, kung angle C ang pangitaon, angle B and angle A, kini atong panggamiton. Sabtan? So, I hope you will memorize this equation. So, muna siya class, no? For example, solve triangle ABC given the angle A, which is 124, side B is equal to 79, and angle C, which is equal to 95. Nga naman, kasi nag-ingon si? Wala ko na siya nag-file. May application sa... wala siya na one. One man. Ako na lang siya giga na mag-file na siya. Sinag-style na siya. Ano na siya yung kwan ba? 5 years siya tama niya. Wala ka niya abot. Gaya good. Paloko niya siya. Hello, madunggan ko. Kung ato ni siya i-graph, kining duha ka side is what we call as adjacent side. Kini siya duha, we call this one as adjacent sides of our angle. Okay, take note dili ni siya pareha sa ato ang katong ginatawag nato na right triangle, nato adjacent and opposite, no? Okay, hypotenuse. Kini siya, wala na siya sa oblique triangle. Kung natunggan yan nila ang angle class, then these two sides will be called as adjacent sides. Then this one will be called as the opposite side. So wala tay adjacent ani. Nakuha ninyo? So take note mo na ha, sa solutions of oblique triangle. Wala tay hypotenuse sa solutions of oblique triangle. Ang nalang nato is adjacent sides and the opposite angle, opposite side. So since our goal is to find side C, no, we're using this equation. We have C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Okay, para mawalang square, square root to both sides. Cancel na siya. So na tayo C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Then substitute their value. Our A is 124. Our B is equal to 79. Then our angle C is equal to 95 degree. With the use of your calculator, the answer is 152.72. Any questions?
Wala, sir.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since na-solve na kompleto na tong sides, di ba? Kasi kulang ani na triangle. Kasi kulang niya. Kompleto na ang tulo ka side o isa ka angle. Kasi kulang. Ang angle B o angle A. Mao ang kulang, di ba? So to solve this one, kini atong gamiton class. Okay, take note aniya. Gamiton ni nato siya. Then substitute lang nato ang ilang mga sides. That's why to solve angle A, na kay cosine inverse of B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. While dire, to solve angle B, natay cosine inverse of A squared plus C squared minus B squared is equal to all over 2AC. Substitute na to ilang mga values. Kini siya, kini, o kini. Dire. And we come up with 53.98 degree and we have 31.02 degree. Pakikalculate ako kung mao ba na siya.
Alas din nag-8 kaya na dahil nang numbering.
Hello? Sakto sa class.
Yes, sir. Sakto, sir.
Gibori kasi wala. Yun siya, pagkuhan sa moving average ba, nakalimot naman ng kuha equation niya. Nag-differentiating ba ka? Nag-differentiating pa kasi yawa na. Ano siya na may magikuhan? Pagkuhan sa, sige, ito equation sa moving average gani.
Two period moving average. Pananin mo no? Forecast aning period. I-average nimo ang last two period. Okay. Forecast nimo aning third period. Average
Sa first ug second.
per second. Do the same dayon.
Kuhan din siya, kanang succeeding din siya. Apig, ikardo dalisa ya. Okay, kung wala may pangutana. Again, let us consider with another example. Given three sides. Take note ha, given three sides. Unsay kulang ani or missing parts sa triangle. Given ang three sides A, B, and C. Unsay missing part niya? Hello? Russell? Unsay missing part ani?
Ang
Just ba? Iyahang mga
angles.
angles. Okay? To solve this one, all you have to do is to use this. Ato na silang gamiton, okay? So, given the equation, we have angle A is equal to cosine inverse of B squared plus C squared minus 2AC minus A squared all over 2BC. Dire, to find angle B, we have cosine inverse of A squared plus C squared minus 2B. Minus B squared all over 2AC. Dire, C is equal to cosine inverse of A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2B. Just try to substitute the values sa sides. Then you will come up with this. Kuha?
Yes, sir. Kanang mga kuan, sir ba, iyang formula, sir ba, kay gikan man na atong kuan, katong table.
Yan
Taas.
siya.
Okay.
Gikan na niya.
Okay, sir.
Sinabtanay
Thank you.
ta.
Yes.
Do you have any questions or clarifications? Kung wala, then ato siya i-apply sa application. So, morning application class. Siya. Two boats A and B leave the port of Sami City at the same time. So, si boat A travel due south for a distance of 12 miles while boat B travels at heading south 48 degree 10 minutes west for 17 miles. So, mo lang travel, no? Kini siya. Si boat A, mo yung travel. Kung mo yung port, pa south direction mo siya. Which is, nag-travel siya og 12 miles. Si boat B, southwest man siya. So, gikan dire. Padulong diha. The direction. So, nakay 48.10 minutes. Which is a distance of 17 miles. So, we let X be the distance between both A and both B. So, ato kuha na. So, using the equation, no, na kay X squared is equal to 12 squared. Actually, pwede ni magbaylo ha. Pwede rin sila magbaylo. Pwede kami yung 17 squared dire plus 12. Basta kay ma-apply lang nimo to yung equation. So, pwede nimo mo yung A, mo yung B, or mo mong B, mo mong A, mo mong B. So, dili na siya necessary, no? Kung application na, dili siya necessary mag-inani ka. Okay? Just substitute the given value. Nagkasinabot, ha?
Yes, sir.
So, para mawalang square root na to both side. So, naka-x is equal to square root of 12 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 12 times 17. Cosine, our angle is 48 degree 10 minutes. Okay ra ka, Megs? Inana lagi ka kagay ulo kay gay bangga naman nimo. Palihog na kuno ko kung mao ba ning answer.
Ako, sir.
Sakto.
Yes.
Okay. Second example, airplane ni siya klasa, dili ni siya boat, wala na edit. Okay. Two airplanes, A and B, leave Ninoy Aquino International Airport at the same time. Airplane A, plane A lies due north, kumingkag due north pasaka no. Kung nadiri ang airport, due north siya pasaka. With the speed, kumingkag speed class, velocity na siya, which is distance over time. So ang speed ako no ni plane A is equal to 550 miles per hour. While ang airplane B flies na kuno having northwest. Morning north, then ang west, diri na direction. So, paana siya. So, 68 degree. So, nadiri ang plane B. Which is, ang iyang velocity na kuno sa plane B is equal to 540 miles per hour. Sige na, Megs. Ay, 4 lang na. Ginisi man kanyang food. Diba? Pirmay. So, muna siya, no? Velocity of airplane A, it would be equal to the distance of airplane A with respect to time. So, na kay 550 miles per hour. For velocity of airplane B, it would be equal to distance of airplane B with respect to time, which is equal to 540 miles per hour. So, our goal is to determine the distance of this uh, plane, no? Para ma-solve na to siya. Kay mo man iyang gi-determine as, no? What is the distance between the two airplane? So, give at the end of 2 hours. So, para distance na lang, ma-multiply ta both side of time. So, that's why we have distance of airplane A is equal to velocity of airplane A times time. Same gyapon sa distance ni airplane B, it would be equal to velocity of airplane B times time. So, ang distance ni A is equal to 100 miles. Ang distance ni airplane B is 1,080 miles. Nasabtanig yun sa ni pagkuha. Kaya actually, kung ato na siya equate, naka V is equal to D over T. Multiply kag time, cancel na. D will be equal to VT. So, mo siya. Sabtan? And then, using our law of cosine, so na kay D squared is equal to distance ni airplane A squared plus distance ni airplane B squared. So minus 2 times distance ni airplane A times distance ni airplane B times cosine theta, where theta is equal to 68 degree. Or pwede na magbaylo pwede ka mag distance B plus distance A. Dili na siya mag-matter. So, para mawala ang square ani, square root lang nimo siya. So, nakay D is equal to square root of 1,100 squared plus 1,080 squared minus 2 times 1,100 times 1,080 cosine 68 degree. So, with the use of your calculator, it would be equal to 1,219.15 miles. So, this would be the distance between the two airplanes. Questions?
Wala, sir.
Wala may pangutana. I want you to answer this one as your activity. Oh. Kini si number 1, actually, you can apply the law of sine of this. Kini si number 2, mo ni si case number 2. Si number 3, siya ni si number 3 ha. Si number 3 is an example of case number 3. Si number 4 is an example of case number 4. Just follow the methods that no I showed you earlier kung saan pag-solve sa iya ha. And kini siya is the same as the first two example. Kuha,
Kuha, sir.
practice ni kay actually dili ni siya magawa sa atong para dili kay taas inyong studyhan. Tama lang tatong solutions of dili trigonometric equations dadto lang tataman para sa inyong semifinals. Okay, gikan sa 8 trigonometric equation identities to trigonometric equation. This would be, we will magawas lang ni siya sa inyong final exam. Dili sa inyong midterm exam. Kung madayon ang class, kung madayon ang intrams next week, we will conducting our semi-final exam on last week of May. Take note last week of May, mag-conduct ta og semi-final exam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, kung wala na may pangutana, let us end our presentation. But before that, mag-attendance ako kadali